Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, my hair is wet. I just got out of the shower. We're getting ready for work. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, I have been putting up a lot of like little short videos, like just a few minutes. And I'm going to keep doing that because I think that is just easier for you guys to watch. So let me know if you're really liking the little short few minute videos. This might be more than a few minutes because we're going to do a little bit of makeup, not a full face. The Catrice Prime and Fine. I did spray my whole face, even though we're not going to make up the whole face. My hair is wet. Okay. So I'm going to use a little bit of primer. I think today I'm going to use this Evio Beauty. Is that how you say it? Evio. But we're just doing a mask. Oh, it all went one spot. Woo, that was too much. A mask friendly application because we are wearing masks again at work. And I'm going to take just the side and pick up any of that excess there that I didn't need. So that was enough for a full face. So I'm just taking like the sides and blending it out. And it can pick up any excess. Okay. So I'm going to use my Purlisse BB. And I will not use that much this time, Shannon. Let's start with that much. Just a drop. But yes, my workplace employees has to wear masks, not the customers. If you want to, yes. But mandatory for employees. Even though I'm fully vaccinated, we still have to wear them. Because apparently, and this is, I mean, it's a good thing, but if you're fully vaccinated and you re-catch, or if you catch COVID, because for me it would be re-catching COVID, the symptoms, the actual being sick part of it is nowhere near as bad as not being vaccinated, because your body's already been building up that immunity to it. Milani eyeshadow primer. I'm not worried about concealer today. I mean, we could do a little bit of concealer, but like I said, it's going to be a mask day. There's no point going through all that. But I do like having a little bit of eyeshadow on. And I do the BB cream just to kind of even out that tone around my eyes. That's all. That's all. I'm still working on this Too Faced powder, so I am just going to grab it with a big fat brush, because I can just get more done that way. See, just like that. There was something I was going to tell you guys, and I already forgot what it was. I don't remember. There was something I was going to tell you guys. And the palette I'm going to be using today is that palette that came out of Boxycharm. It is so pretty. I have already worn it several times, so I can tell you it blends like butter. It feels like butter when you swatch it. It is so soft and smooth. But when I say soft, it is very soft. So you just have to be careful putting your brush in, because it's very, very soft. So I'm going to go into Mercury, which is pretty much like the only shade. These three shades here is kind of like bing, bing, bing to get the crease going. And then all the shimmer kind of stuff is just making it pretty. But I'm just going to fluff this on very softly. There's something I was going to tell you guys. Something I saw. And now I don't remember what it was. So, I don't know. Something, but I don't remember. Something I was going to tell you. I'll remember it when I get to work. But yes, masks are making a comeback and I knew when they took the mask mandate down, I was like, something's going to happen and we're just going to go right back to the beginning. And that's basically what's happening because of the Delta variant. And there's other variants floating out there, so don't think there's just the Delta variant. If you do some research, there's other variants besides Delta floating around. I'm wearing purple. Today is probably truck day, so I probably will use this. It is a really deep purple. I think you can see it there. This is Phobius. Just kind of an orangey color. Guys, I'm so ready for autumn. I did darken my hair back up. Do you guys notice that? I do still have a cough. You see what I'm saying? How that just went on like butter. It's fantastic. I've got back to my quilt. I had started a quilt back first of the year, I think. It might have even been earlier than that. I can't remember. Before Christmas last year. I can't even remember when I started this quilt, but I had started a string quilt. And if you follow my little tiny soap channel, and guys, I'm probably going to make some soap tomorrow. I may film it. I guess I'll film it. I've not made soap in forever with my new job. Once I get home, I just do not have the time or the energy, it seems like. But I've been saying this for 2 weeks that I'm going to make a fall soap, a pumpkin crunch cake. I just kind of skimmed completely over summer, and I had all those fantastic summer fragrances. But don't worry, they're still there. I can still make them. But pumpkin crunch cake I bought last year and never used it, so I want to use it this year. This is not a matte. It is like a satin. It's got a sheen to it, but I'm going to use that right out here. And I basically wore this same look day before yesterday, but it was just so pretty. But I'm going to do pumpkin crunch cake, and if you're not subscribed to that channel, it is linked down below. It is a teeny tiny channel. I only post like crafty, like some crafty stuff. I had started putting soap videos on this channel, but I just felt like it didn't fit with everything else. So I made a channel just for crafty stuff. And it's tiny. I don't post there much, but it does let me go back and watch, like if I mess up anything, if the fragrance oil or something doesn't behave, I can see what's going on. I can go back and watch, try to figure out where things messed up. I can also go back and look at my designs if I want to change designs. So it's more of a way to just kind of document when I'm making soap. I keep a notebook too and write everything down, but it's easy just to kind of see what's going on there, you know. Like, what happened? What happened to this poor bar of soap? And a lot of people bought soap from me, and if you've been wanting soap, I do apologize. Like I said, I started a new job, and I've recently got promoted at that job, and it's just been crazy, like always when I start a job. It just seems like it always gets crazy. But okay, there's the purple, and so this video is probably going to be a little bit longer than I thought. I am going to come in with this really pretty cranberry shade out here, which is Callisto. I got rid of a bunch of clothes yesterday. They were my mom's clothes. I got rid of some of my clothes. I got rid of one good size like shopper bag, like the big shopper bags when you go somewhere and they put it in that really big bag. I got rid of one of those of my clothes yesterday. I still have to go through this big basket sitting back here. And then I got rid of two large, I'm talking the huge honking, big black rubber totes, the big gigantic ones of my mom's clothes. Yes, I did. my husband's aunt has like a consignment shop, like a thrift store, and I give them to her to sell. And we went through them, and it was kind of heartbreaking to hold her things and be like, here, take them away, you know. And but it is what it is. It can't continue to be in my house when I have all these totes of just her stuff, you know. This was earth, the lightest gold, and I'm just dragging it right over top of that cranberry, just blending them. I maybe blended it a little bit too much, so we might go back with a little bit more cranberry. And I do pull it up a little bit over the crease because of my hooded lids, just a little bit. So I'm going to come back into cranberry, just to kind of go back over that a little bit. Not a lot. And that's pretty much it. Super easy eye look. I'll be so glad when this crud is completely gone. I'm going to come into Phobius, and I'm going to flip this up and use this mirror. A little bit of fallout for sure. Yes, some fallout. So I'm going to take and try not to just smear it in, because that was dark. I think that was that dark purple. Take my fingers, kind of go over that. I'm just grabbing that cranberry on my finger. All right, there we go. And some mascara, some brows. We're done. That's it. That's it. That's what I do when I'm having to wear a mask. Is I just do the eyes, because that's all you're gonna see. And some lip balm. I mean, that's it. That's all I do. But yes, I'm going to try to make some soap tomorrow. I was going to make it yesterday. Ronnie's aunt came over. So we had company all afternoon. And then, because my plan had been soap and quilt. So once they left, I just worked on the quilt. Instead of dragging all that soap stuff out, I just worked on my quilt. And I did get, if you're following me on Facebook, I'll put an updated picture on the Moodygirl soaps. It will almost cover the whole top of a queen size bed. I need one more row. What am I after? Lip balm. Where is my little lip balm? I'll just grab this one. This is the oh, I see it. I see it. I've been using this one. This is that Clinique with the little core that came in that haul. It was purchase with a purchase. I have on my little Pandora acorn and leaf earrings. Guys, if you have a fat lobe, these little hoops, I have a, I guess like an average lobe. It's not like super fat, but it is kind of chunky like the rest of me. If you have like a really thick lobe, you will not be able to get these on. It was really interesting trying to get these little boogers on, because they only open up so far, and then the actual post is only so big. But if you have a really thick lobe, you will not be able to get these in your ears. I don't see it happening. But we're almost done, guys. We'll be at 15 minutes, so not bad. This is a Gimme Brow. I really love the Gimme Brow. Just a little bit. All right, guys, that is it. As always, thank you for just hanging out with me. If you got this palette, please let me know what you think, because I love it. I love it. I'm so ready for autumn, and that's like a perfect autumn palette. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Don't forget, I do have a skincare giveaway coming up. I'm actually looking at a few things here on my desk that's going to go in the skincare giveaway. Like, I know this big guy's going in the skincare giveaway. I know this guy's going in the skincare giveaway. I know this guy's going in the skincare giveaway. Yeah. Because I don't use facial oils. I just don't. And this is a retinol serum, so that's really good. I already have a retinol serum. So there is a skincare giveaway coming. Be sure you hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn that notification bell on, because you never know when these giveaways are going to pop up. It could be anytime. Anytime. End of the video. It could be its own video. It could be in the middle of a video. It could be anywhere. All right, guys. I will see you on the next one.